Hey up, name's Happy. First off, I'm a baboon. I'm also lid of a jar, Canopic jar. Aye, them's, well, jars for holding stuff. Bodily organs, if truth be told. I'm in charge of lungs. Important job. That's to take it right serious. Job for life, they might say. Right, so, rich Egyptians die and they get mummified. Undertakers have to get organs out of the body. Messy business. Can't leave them in mummy mind. But the dead folks going to need their organs for the afterlife. And they have to go somewhere. So they put them in these right special canopic jars. As I say, I got lungs. Imseti, him over there with human head, he got liver.
Morning.
Kabetansuf, Falcon, he got intestines. Falcons right like intestines.
It's the choice of the sophisticate.
The other bloke, Jackal, Damutev, he got stomach. Another important job.
Present. Hello? Hello?
Because we're all so important, and we're all sons of Horus, we all have our own personal gods to protect us. Mine's Nephthys, god of death. Imseti has Isis, healer. Kabetansuf has Circuit, the one with scorpion hat. And Dwamutev has Neith, the weaver. Can't win them all. My god's best, of course. I'm Horus's eldest son. And I'm a baboon, stands to reason. And my god looks after beer and all. Others are important too, mind. Not as important as me, though. They know their place all right.
That's not the only baboon.
Oh, aye. Those jars are all made out of alabaster, a kind of marble. They'll hear it called travertine. Lasts a long time. We're all 3,095 years old. As I say, it's a job for life. Could do a lot worse. So think on. Mind how it goes now.